High-protein breakfast recipes. Here we are with few high-protein breakfast recipes for you. 1. Veggies and cheese omelet. Ingredients: eggs, black pepper, salt, tomatoes, cilantro, cheese. Whisk eggs in a bowl, add pepper and salt. Pour eggs in a pan and add tomatoes and cheese. Cook until the eggs are set, then folding the omelet in half. Add cheese and enjoy. 2. Cottage cheese pancakes. Ingredients: cottage cheese, oats, eggs, baking powder, vanilla extract. Blend cottage cheese, oats, eggs, baking powder, and vanilla extract. Cook pancakes on a griddle or skillet. 3. Egg and avocado toast. Ingredients: whole grain bread, eggs, avocado, black pepper, dill. Boil egg. Toast whole grain bread slices. Mash avocado and spread it on the toast. Top with eggs, sprinkle black pepper, and dill. 4. Greek yogurt parfait. Ingredients: Greek yogurt, granola, fresh berries, honey. In a bowl or glass, layer Greek yogurt, granola, and fresh berries and honey on the top. 5. Protein smoothie. Ingredients: protein powder, whey, pea, or your choice. Milk, dairy or plant-based. Banana. Spinach. Peanut butter. Blend protein powder, milk, banana, spinach, and a spoonful of peanut butter until smooth. If you liked and enjoyed these recipes, give us a thumbs up.